Cameron, can you explain what an encapsulated crawl space is?
Yes, Nolan. As I mentioned before, the main concern with doing a crawl space, which I prefer over a slab, is to control the moisture, and you do that by controlling the humidity underneath the house. And what we do with an encapsulated crawl space is number one thing is the encapsulation process comes from using a good vapor barrier. We use a 12 mil reinforced vapor barrier. We carry it all the way up the wall, and we also condition the crawl space by insulating the perimeter wall. So that brings basically our heating and air under the house. It brings it into conditioned space, which gains us points with Energy Star, and it's just a really good way to do that. So we're encapsulating all the way up the wall, and what we're doing is we're keeping the groundwater, the vapor from the ground, from getting up into the crawl space, but we're also keeping the water vapor from driving through the block by encapsulating all the way up. Okay, so we're keeping the humidity out. What I also do is provide a commercial grade dehumidifier in all of our homes, a top-of-the-line dehumidifier, just in case the humidity levels reach a point that that dehumidifier would need to pull any moisture out. That's a very important thing. We also do a mold treatment right after we do our floor system during construction. It's really hard to tell, but these floor joists are treated with a mold treatment that will keep mold from growing while we are constructing the house and before we are able to completely encapsulate and get our dehumidifier in place. And of course, this mold treatment will help with in the future as well. But the key is controlling the actual humidity under the house, which will keep mold from growing. We also provide our homeowners with a hygrometer that they can have indoors, and what that basically is, it's a unit that they'll have inside, a wireless unit, and it will tell them what their temperature and humidity is under the house. So they monitor that every once in a while and just make sure that number is correct, and then we know we won't have any problems.
All right, thank you, Cameron.
Thank you.